Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing some fidget spinner, well, really impressive tricks, but we're going to be doing something a little different. So before we get into the video, I want you guys to like and subscribe to my channel before we even get started. And I also want you guys to dab. You don't have to do that, but if you want, you can work hard. Okay. So right now, I'm going to be getting these. Look, there's a blue one and a red one. We might be giving these away, but there's more we're giving away. So make sure you comment down below and say fidget spinner if you want one. That depends on what you guys want. So let's get it on. But before we start, let's show this shirt. I have a skull, probably. But either way, let's get it on. Okay, Victoria's here to assist me. Okay, you're not. Okay, you're rude. Okay, so the first trick I'm going to do is on the edge of, like, let's see. No, that's too easy. Okay, let's try this. Wait,
I got some balls.
Okay, we don't care about your balls. Oh my god. Okay, let's put the camera right here. Fidget spin here. And I'm going to spin two. Yes! It worked! With one topic. Okay. Next trick shot. Okay, this time we're going to be doing it with a lotion. And nah, that one's too easy. We're going to do it with foot powder, and this is going to be super interesting because these things will not last long. So let's get this on. Let's get the two on really quickly, and then I'll get back to you. Boom, there you go, and now let me just spin them. Wait, okay, there you go. Make sure they're in good position. Oh, one of them was about to break. Okay, let's get, okay. Put one in place and the other one on here. And then you want to do this. Voila. You want some foot powder? Here you go. Okay, next one. Let's go. Okay. You think I should do a doorknob? Do you? Okay. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it though. I need somewhere to freaking put this camera. Okay, we're going to put it right here. Here's the doorknob. We're going to be testing it out. We're going to be testing out one. Here we go. Set, go. That was close. I mean, who doesn't like that? Yeah? I don't want to watch movies. Hey, look. I know you can't see it, but I had to put my finger on it, but wait. Dang it. Well, that one didn't work. It only works when you put your hand on it. Okay. We made sense of that. Definitely a lot of sense. Okay. Next up. What should I do? Ooh. What do you think? I think this might be kind of hard and kind of creepy, but nah, I don't want to say creepy. Nah, not here. Okay, give me a moment to think what to do it, please. Okay, you guys, I just decided. I'm going to be putting this one at the top, and then we're going to be connecting another foot powder on here, flipping it over there, and see how this works. Let me just get it set up. I'm just going to place this with my camera holder. Boom. Okay, so first, grab your foot powder, place it like this. You know what? I'm going to bring you guys down here. Why not, fam? Oh, tower. No, I'm going to bring you guys down here. Let's go. Okay. Here is you guys. Right now, let's bring you fidget over here, and let's bring the good combiner. I think I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna put one here. Can you see it like that? move you guys up here. There you go. It's gonna fall. Yeah. There you go. Okay. I'm gonna spin it. This one. I want this one too. Now it stopped. Now this is oh yeah! Wow, bogus. Okay, well that worked perfectly. Now let me just put these back, and then we're gonna get on to the next trick shot. Let's do this. Okay. Let's go. Bring the camera up here. Okay, we're gonna be doing something kind of similar, but kind of dangerous too. We're going to be putting these two up here, and then we're going to be putting, whoa, you guys went down. We're going to be putting the fidget spinners while they're spinning, and then we're going to put this on top of them both. Let's check it. Ready? Wait, I'm going to put ready, set, shoot. Boom, and place the pyramid. Well, there you have it. Good for sunflower. This is perfect, but that one stopped. Okay, that one I kind of messed up. Now we're gonna be moving on. But which one should I try it on? Ooh, I have a perfect idea. Just wait until you see that. Okay, I just figured out a way. We're going to be doing this with a skinny top roof. And we're going to be towering up all of these. So for here, I'm going to put you guys up. No, that's not a good idea. Now, I'll tell you guys when I'm done towering these things. Okay. Not a good idea, but I'll be right back and I'll be towering these things later on. Okay. Oh no, this is gonna work. Okay. I got the material we need. Everyone scream out, hey. Oh, get that bed out of the way. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna stack these up. Hopefully it won't fall. Whew! This is worth it. Oh yeah. Whoa, look at the tower. It's like the size of me, but it could do a little bit better. I'm just kidding. I won't do that. Okay, so now I'm going to be, when I see, that's perfect. Okay. If it falls on the camera, I'm sorry. Dang, I don't think that was a good surface. Okay, just want to do this. It worked. Okay, then another one. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Please don't fall, please don't. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stack this up again. Okay, I think, whoa. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to stack this up like this. Now, I'll stack this up like this. Make it easier to balance. Oh, sorry guys, I'm fixing this. Let's be back. Well guys, we stacked up our tower, which is really tall. Now I'm gonna try to spin these things. Well, let's see if we can do it with the skinny top roof. There you go, there's one. Okay, this one won't work with two, so we're just gonna do it with one. Okay, hopefully it don't fall. Dang it. That failed. Well, at least it still worked. Phew. I have no good reasons to do that, but we'll still give it a shot. No worries, fam. I got you. I got you, dudes. Okay, I'm going to put this over here. That over here. Okay, that's better. I'm probably just going to do it like these. Like these. And put it like this with the skinny top roof. And then like again. Boom. Okay, guys, well, that's going to end all my videos because I did probably do a mess. And I did toss something over there. Yeah, I did. Wait, I'll be right back in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. So, let's go. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below to get 25 fidget spinners from this big bag here. There's each one for 2 winners. Probably my friends, I don't know. But got this new merch. Slayer. So check that out at Walmart and Target. They're only going to be available for 1 week. So you better buy them. So bye guys, and be next for the video. Let's go. Bye.